October 5th, 2025, Ohio. A 911 call reported a red Chevrolet weaving through lanes on I-271, striking a road sign and driving away. By the time it ended, the driver had failed 4 sobriety tests and tried to explain Ohio DUI law to the officer arresting her. In Ohio, OVI has 2 paths, BAC at 0.08 or above, or observable impairment shown by field tests alone. No breathalyzer required.
Hello. Maybe step out for me? What's going on? Is it in park?
Yeah, it is.
What did you hit?
A curb.
Just a curb?
Yeah. Coming off the freeway over there, I hit a curb.
Where'd you get off the freeway at?
I'm not for sure. I'm coming back from Cleveland.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm headed to
Yeah,
Youngstown.
you can't drive like that. All right, where are you headed to?
Youngstown.
Youngstown. Okay.
Yeah.
Any reason you got off the highway?
I'm following the GPS. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Driver's license in here? You mind if you grab something?
Oh.
Where is it? I'm gonna grab it.
It's in my phone.
It's on your
It's
phone?
in the phone case.
Alright, go ahead, step back there.
Radio 1275.
How much you had to drink tonight?
2 shots.
2 shots. How long ago was that?
About an hour and a half ago.
Okay. Was that in Cleveland where you're coming from? Okay. You know the English alphabet?
English alphabet?
Yeah, just alphabet. All right. Can I have you say it from starting at the letter C as in Charlie and stopping at the letter Q as in Queen? You're going to start at C, say it till Q, and then stop.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. You said Q, right?
Yeah. All right. I'm going to show you one thing here. You're going to touch the tip of your finger, the tip of your thumb to the tip of each finger, counting from 1 to 4, and then back down from 4 to 1. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Then you're going to Youngstown, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. And where did you exactly hit this curb?
I literally just hit it, like coming off the freeway.
Coming
I
off
don't
the
know
freeway.
where the freeway is. I'm just following my GPS, but I just hit it.
Okay. All right.
Maybe about a mile ago, a half a mile ago.
All right. And you said you were just following the GPS?
Yeah. I don't exactly know where I'm going, but that's what I was following. The GPS.
Okay. All right. So I smell alcohol on your breath. All right. So I'm gonna run you through some tests and make sure you're okay to drive. All right. So just give me 1 minute if you want to talk to this officer.
Rest of me. Yeah, just relax.
All right.
Have you had any head injuries or anything like that in the past?
That in the past, any issues with your vision, anything like that? Okay. If I could just have you face me, you're gonna stand with your feet together, hands down your sides, just like this. Do you wear contacts or glasses? No? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna check your eyes. You're gonna keep your head still, and you're just gonna look at the tip of this pen. Any issues seeing the tip of that pen? No? Okay. You're gonna follow the movement of the pen with your eyes only. You keep following the pen with your eyes until you're told the test is over. Make sense? Any questions for me? You got a coat or anything in the car? Nothing? Okay.
So I'm gonna have you step over to this white line here. Do you have shoes in the car that you want to put on? Sure you're okay? Alright.
73,000.
I'm gonna have you place your left foot on that white line. And you're gonna place your right foot in front of your left foot with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot. So look just like this. Left foot on the line, right foot in front. feel out loud.
George,
Once you start walking, don't stop until you complete the test. You understand all the instructions? Any questions for me? Anything else I can clarify? Okay, go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3,
Make sure you're watching your feet.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So she was chagrined. You were getting off 271 northbound?
Originally, when I was coming, she was moving at a really, really low, she was traveling very, very, like, on the highway, she was going like 45 miles an hour.
Okay, okay.
And then I watched her go through 3 different lanes of travel without signaling. And then she was just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then she went to exit, like she was getting off at Chagrin.
You 271 north, right?
Yes,
Or south?
north.
You were going that way?
Correct.
Yeah. She came
So
off?
she exited like she was going there, and then as she was exiting, she hit that, there was like a road sign or something,
Right.
one of the ODOT signs. She took it right off and then got back on 271
North
north, and then she drove all the way up
to Cedar?
and then
She came Cedar, then
Correct.
all the way over to Richmond and Richmond South?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you can step back over here. We'll get.
Okay, this next one is another balance test, okay? You may stand with your feet together and your arms down your sides, just like this.
Okay. Do not start to perform the test until I tell you to do so. You understand the instructions so far? Yeah. Okay. When I tell you to start, you're going to raise either leg of your choosing with the foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your raised foot parallel to the ground. I'll demonstrate that for you. You must keep both legs straight, arms at your sides. While holding this position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until told to stop. While you're doing this, you're going to keep your arms at your sides at all times and keep watching your raised foot. You understand the instructions? Okay, give me one. All right, go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Make sure you're watching your foot.
2006, 2007, 2008. Sorry.
Okay, just go ahead and restart.
2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014.
Stop.
2 shots, an hour and a half ago. She said it without hesitation. The alphabet test C to Q is a standardized sobriety cue. She added a letter that was not there. Finger count passed, one of 4 tests, the others would not. The HGN test reads involuntary eye movement caused by alcohol. The eyes do not lie, and officers do not need to ask twice. Walk and turn, 9 steps heel to toe. Every deviation is a documented clue. Officers counted them all. The witness officer followed her since I-271. 3 lanes, no signal, 45 on a highway. Then she took out an ODOT sign and kept driving. 1 leg stand, she put her foot down early. Officers noted it. 4 tests, multiple clues documented on each. 1 witness who watched from a mile back. The case was built before the arrest.
Okay, I think you've had a little too much to drink tonight, okay? So you're going to go to jail for driving under the influence, okay? So go ahead and turn around for me.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn around for me.
Wow. I didn't even have that much to drink.
73. Email this test station for OVI.
Do you want to test again?
Can you,
No, you.
Because I didn't even have that much to drink.
Yeah, you're gonna have an opportunity to provide a breath sample here once we get back to the station, okay?
Can we do a breath sample here?
No, it has to be done at our station. I'm gonna have you step back to this first car. Do you need anything on it? If she struck the ODOT sign, that's still in our city, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and you obviously observed her the whole time since then.
Yes.
Yeah. Were you in the express or local?
I started off, actually started off seeing her all over the road.
Okay.
At the high level bridge.
Okay.
You were in local lanes? Doesn't express like you were in.
Yes, the local lanes.
Yeah.
Do you need anything out of the car? You got a wallet or phone charger, anything like that? No? Okay. Stand right here. Seat for me.
AAA, yeah.
What's that?
Can I call AAA?
No, we have to tow the car. So it's going to go to our impound.
I don't have time to get it out the impound.
You can't drive it. You got
That's
all
why I'm
the.
asking, can I call AAA?
No, we have to tow it because nobody can get it out of the impound. It's undrivable. It's probably going to be totaled. Alright, so it goes to our police impound.
So after that, I will be able to get it out the impound.
I don't think this car is going to be driving, but yes.
I understand that.
Yeah.
Okay, you taking me to jail.
She injured, say she's injured though?
No. She doesn't appear. She had a pole of some sort. Look at the round.
It's got to be like
I'll get your pictures.
Maybe the witness knows. Has English. Here he comes.
Tells 98, right?
Yeah.
This guy. Well, we'll see what. I thought maybe that person was a friend of English driving on that side.
I was like, what?
Is that who his witness was?
No, I think that's the car next to the pump.
Sorry, because it's total. Airbags came out, but I'm asking.
You can get it towed from the impound.
Yes,
Whatever
you
Told
can get it.
in
Yeah.
the impound, but I can't get it towed right now because it's.
No, because you're under arrest.
But I'm under arrest because of.
OVI, operating vehicle under the influence.
Gonna be on the parking lot
But I
facing
haven't
towards
had that
Zachary
much
near
to-
building 1.
Okay. Based on the tests, I don't believe that's true.
Based on the test.
Yeah. You'll have an opportunity to provide a breath sample once we get back to the station.
And then if that comes back clear, then what?
Then we talk about you're still going to be charged with operating under the influence. You're just not
If
going
it
to be charged
comes back
with the-
clear,
Correct.
then how?
All right.
How?
We'll talk about everything when we get back to the station. I have
If
to read you a
it
bunch of
comes back
paperwork.
clear, then I can't be charged with the OVI.
That's not correct.
No, that is correct. Because
not correct.
if my breathalyzer comes back clear, then I can't be charged with the OVI because it's not.
The officer had seen enough. Then she made it worse. Ohio Revised Code 4511.19 allows OVI charges on field test evidence alone. The breathalyzer was not the exit she thought it was. She had already been charged.
Whoever told you that was incorrect. Okay, but I'll go over everything once we get back. You are under arrest, so you're
Yeah,
going to be charged
that
with
part
it.
obviously, but because if the breathalyzer come back clear, I will still be charged.
Yes.
That's
You've already
incorrect.
been charged with OVI.
That's
I'm already
incorrect.
charging you right now. Okay, I'll talk to you back when we get back at the station. Okay?
The woman was driving 62% over the legal drinking limit and was charged with operating a vehicle impaired and driving an unsafe vehicle.
The preliminary breath test came back 62% over Ohio's legal limit. She was charged with OV wine and operating an unsafe vehicle. The officers get an A. Every test was administered by protocol. Clues were documented individually. The witness account was secured before the arrest. Under NHTSA standardized field testing, each clue is a separate data point, not a single pass-fail. This record holds up in court. The driver gets a D. She disclosed the drinks, failed every test, then argued Ohio DUI law incorrectly while being handcuffed. Under Ohio's OVI, statute impairment is the standard, not the breathalyzer number. Everything she said went into the report. The lesson in Ohio FSTs are voluntary. The breathalyzer after arrest is not. Anything said beyond your name and license builds the case against you. If you want more Bodycam footage, hit subscribe, drop a comment should the field test evidence alone have been enough to charge. See you in the next one.